How is it going, everybody? Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new episode of Best Android Applications. In today's video, we have got 10 amazing apps that you need to install on your Android smartphone. As always, we will be giving away a bunch of promo codes in this video, so make sure you watch it until the very end. Also, let's aim for at least 1000 likes on this one. With that said, drop a like, leave a comment, and let's get started. Alright guys, the first app on today's list goes by the name called Sponge. This app makes decluttering your phone's gallery a lot more fun, and it definitely saves a lot of your time as well. This basically helps you to clean your unwanted photos and videos in a much quicker way, where you just need to swipe left to remove your pictures from your phone and swipe right to keep them with you. It even remembers where you left off, so you can pick up your cleaning session right where you stopped. The best part is you can also set monthly reminders to manage all your recent pictures and perform a cleaning session once in every month, keeping your gallery clutter free. The idea is that we always have a lot of duplicate photos in our phones, especially if we get them from WhatsApp groups or any other social platform that we don't even check inside our gallery on a regular basis. This app might help you to remove them and let you free up some storage on your phone. So if you really want to get rid of unwanted pictures, then this is a great app that will make that process a lot easier. It is totally free to download, so be sure to check this one out. You will find all the links in the description below. Next up, we've got an app called Later Links. This app is the ultimate tool for saving, organizing, and accessing your favorite links all in one place. Whether you are browsing articles, watching videos on YouTube, or discovering new websites, once you forget and don't remember, it's really difficult to figure out what you have missed out on. To avoid such situations, you can save all those links quickly inside this application for later use. You can save links from any app with just a few taps. All you have to do is just click on the share button, look for the Later Links icon. It even allows you to add a note, or you can put it in different collections, and there is an option to add tags as well. The best part is all your data gets stored in your Google Drive, so you can access your saved links from any device whenever you want to. All in all, I think it's a really useful application that can have all your saved content at one place right at your fingerprints. Definitely give this app a try. At number 3, we have a brand new wallpaper app that has recently launched on the Play Store, and it's called WallSpot. This app has got all the potential to become your go-to wallpaper app, and the reason why I'm saying this is because it has a massive collection of over 900 super high quality, all exclusive 4K wallpapers that you won't find anywhere else. These wallpapers can easily transform your boring looking home screen into a visual masterpiece, and one thing that I really liked is that it has a very diverse collection that can suit every mood and taste. We've got all different categories like abstract, nature, animals, characters, Disney, space, superheroes, comic style, minimal and more. So each one of you can have a perfect wallpaper depending on your taste. Once you open up the app, you get all the free wallpapers in the first page, followed by premium and trending sections. The best part is you also get a search bar where you can quickly search wallpapers based on different colors. Guys, the app also offers a very good collection of desktop wallpapers as well, so you don't have to look anywhere else if you want to customize your desktop. Now, even though the app has a really good collection of free wallpapers, if you want to unlock all those premium exclusive wallpapers, then you need to have the Pro version. And fortunately, I do have 30 promo codes that will help you unlock the Pro version for completely free. To win one, all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment on this video, and send me a DM on Instagram asking for the promo code. It's a first come first serve basis. Well, this is the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and one of my favorite things about this is the latest One UI 7, which is currently running on this phone. Not only does it have a lot of amazing features, but it also has some stunning looking widgets that really make the home screen stand out. Now, even if you don't have the latest Samsung flagship device or you have some other brand's smartphone, you can still get these beautiful looking widgets on your Android phone by simply installing a brand new widget pack called One UI 7 KWGT. This pack has a huge collection of more than 150 beautifully handcrafted widgets, and most of them are heavily inspired by the One UI design language. So you get all those One UI 7 pill-shaped weather, date and time widgets that actually looks really good on your home screen. Apart from that, you also get some unique designs as well, and the developer is adding more and more widgets with every single update. Overall, it's a great KWGT widget pack that offers so many widgets for your home screen, and it is a paid application, but I do have 30 promo codes. In order to get one, all you have to do is like and comment on this video and join our Telegram channel. I'll be sharing these codes in our Telegram group. The next app on this list is basically a files app called Write Files, And straight away once you install this app on your phone, you will notice that it has a very similar look to iOS, where you get a breakdown of what's using up all the storage on your phone. We've got a recent files section where you can see all your recent files. Then there is a directory which again looks kind of similar to iOS, and you can do all those usual stuff that a file managing app can do, but I think it looks very clean and organized. Additionally, you get customizations like you can change the accent color, customize the theme, change the font style, add some animations and do lot more. Overall, it's a pretty clean and nice looking file managing app which is available for free on the Play Store. And it doesn't have any ads as well, so definitely check this one out. App number 6 is called Brain Dump. This is a really unique note-taking application that seamlessly captures audio notes and converts them into text. Whether it's a meeting or a lecture or even your voice recording, anything can be easily transcribed using this application in over 50 different languages. The best part is each recording comes with a short AI-generated summary highlighting the main idea so you can focus on what matters the most. The app lets you securely back up all your notes and recordings to Google Drive, then you can easily restore them to any device, ensuring your ideas are always protected and accessible. There are situations where we had an idea, but we don't have enough time to type it out. This app can be super useful during such times. You can just speak it onto your phone and the app will transcribe it for you. Not only that, you can play back your recordings, organize your notes into categories and easily share them by using the audio export feature. Definitely a super useful note-taking app with a beautiful looking interface. Be sure to check this one out. Next up, we have got a feature-packed browser that I recently came across, and it's called Quetta browser. It's actually a privacy-focused browser and comes with its own ad block feature built in. I also like the super clean design where you get this floating style search bar at the bottom, and whenever you are browsing through web pages, you can flip it out of the way to further enhance your browsing experience. It also lets you swipe left or right to quickly switch between different tabs. Apart from this, it also includes a video download feature, and it even lets you play videos in picture-in-picture mode, or you can continue playing videos in the background. There is a built-in data vault feature where you can hide any of your sensitive data, which can be unlocked only by using your fingerprint. All in all, I think it's a feature-packed browser which is totally free on the Play Store. Next, we have got this super useful app called Text Behind Photo Editor. This app lets you write text behind any image, person or even an object with ease without having to do complex level of photo editing on your phone. It does it a lot better and more effectively compared to other photo editing tools available in the Play Store. All you have to do is simply write anything that you want in this text box. Then you can change the color, use different fonts, adjust the size, add shadows and depth effects. Once that is done, you can then place your text behind the object with ease and transform your photo's creativity without having to spend a lot of your time. With features like background removal, customizable text and advanced effects, this is a must-have photo editing app that you need to install on your Android phone right now. Tweet to Pic is an app that can be super useful for someone who uses Twitter a lot and often shares some popular tweets to their friends through WhatsApp or other messaging applications. This app basically turns tweets into clean, professional looking images which can be downloaded and later shared directly using WhatsApp or any other app on your phone. The process here is very simple. All you have to do is copy and paste the tweet link or simply share it using the share button. Now the app will convert that tweet into a professional looking image, and there is an option to hide any images or videos attached to that tweet before saving it to your gallery. Finally, we have an app called Pixel Shot. Well, Google Pixel devices have an app built in which helps you organize and manage all your screenshots in a much more efficient way. This app is like a perfect alternative for other Android users who don't have a Pixel smartphone. It's like an ultimate tool that organizes and manages your screenshots with ease using AI. So we all have a lot of unnecessary screenshots saved in our phone's gallery, and sometimes it gets really difficult to find the important ones when you need them. Pixel Shot is here to solve the exact problem. It automatically sorts and summarizes screenshots, making them so much easier to find at the right time. You can create collections, categorize screenshots in different folders, and there is a search bar where you can quickly search screenshots by using tags or some keywords. It's a pretty useful application, definitely check this one out. That's pretty much it for this video. These are some amazing Android applications that you need to download right now. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android, and I'll see you guys in the next one.